Hello friends, welcome to the channel Solution. In this video, we will show you the method of preparation of ORS means oral rehydration salt powder according to WHO formula. First of all, let's know what is ORS powder and how to use it and when to use this ORS powder preparation. ORS is a oral rehydration salt powder. As the name given, it is taken orally in the form of solution to rehydrate our body. ORS is taken in dehydration, means it is used to treat dehydration and it is also used to prevent dehydration. Then what is dehydration? Dehydration means when body lost too much of the body fluid, means excessive amount of water loss from the body along with loss of electrolyte from the body. Because of which our body become deficient of water and electrolyte means minerals like sodium, potassium loss, and this is called dehydration, and this occur in the condition like diarrhea, dysentery or excessive sweating during exercise or during hot weather or some other condition in which our body loses too much of the body fluid, and due to all these reasons dehydration occur. So ORS treat this dehydration, means rehydrate our body, means balance the level of electrolyte and water in our body, because right amount of water and minerals are very important for the normal functioning of the body. That's why ORS comes into the category of electrolyte replenisher. And this video is specially prepared for the pharmacy student as per the PCI syllabus. So let's start the practical. According to WHO formula, we require 4 ingredients for the preparation of ORS powder. First, we require trisodium citrate dihydrate. Here we have to weigh 2.9 gram of trisodium citrate dihydrate for 1 liter solution. Next ingredient is potassium chloride. Here we have to weigh 1.5 gram of potassium chloride for 1 liter solution. And next, sodium chloride. Here we have to weigh 2.6 gram of sodium chloride for 1 liter solution. And last ingredient is glucose. Here we have to weigh 13.5 gram of glucose again for 1 liter solution, means total salt mixture will be 20.5 gram, and this preparation is for 1 liter. After weighing all the salt, first take potassium chloride. Here we have weighed 0.75 gram of potassium chloride for 500 ml solution, and then transfer it into a container. Here we have taken china dish. Next ingredient is trisodium citrate dihydrate. Here we have weighed 1.45 gram of trisodium citrate dihydrate for 500 ml solution, and then again transfer it into same china dish. Next salt is sodium chloride. Here we have weighed 1.35 gram of sodium chloride for 500 ml solution, and then transfer it into the china dish. After adding sodium chloride, we have to add our last ingredient, that is anhydrous glucose. Here we have weighed 6.75 gram of anhydrous glucose for 500 ml oral rehydration solution prepared. Means all the ingredients here we have weighed for preparing 500 ml of oral rehydration solution. After adding all the salt, then mix it properly with the help of glass rod. Now oral rehydration salt powder is ready according to WHO formula. Now store this oral rehydration salt powder in a well closed airtight container and keep it in a cool and dry place. And when we have to use this oral rehydration salt powder, then we have to freshly prepare the solution of this powder in water. Means we have to dissolve oral rehydration salt powder in water, and as we have weighed all the chemicals means salt according to 500 ml solution, so we are dissolving this oral rehydration salt powder in 500 ml purified water. And after dissolving this oral rehydration salt powder in water, this solution is called oral rehydration solution. And we have to use this solution within 24 hours, and after 24 hours we have to discard this solution. And in emergency, means in case you are not able to buy it from the medical store, in that case you can prepare it at home also. For this we require table salt and sugar. Table salt we require 5 gram and sugar we require 20 gram. Means you can take about 6 teaspoon sugar and half teaspoon salt, mix it and dissolve it in 1 liter water. Now let's know what is the role of each ingredient, means function of each ingredient of oral rehydration salt powder in our body. Sodium chloride and potassium chloride balance the level of water and electrolyte in our body, which is lost due to the dehydration. And the sodium ion and potassium ion required for the normal functioning of our body. For example, the sodium ion and potassium ion means this ion regulates the level of water in our body, maintain the body fluid and blood volume. Glucose in ORS help in absorption of sodium ion in our body, and this sodium ion help in the absorption of water. The role of sodium citrate dihydrate is to treat acidosis which occur due to dehydration. Acidosis means the blood pH becomes very low, means become acidic. So this salt act as a buffer, means maintain the pH of the blood. This sodium citrate metabolize in liver and convert into sodium bicarbonate, which act as a buffer and treat acidosis occurred due to dehydration by maintaining the pH of the blood. So this is all about oral rehydration salt powder. Thank you very much for watching this video. This video is also available in Hindi explanation. Link is given in the description box. Thank you.